installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Begin by flipping down the visor and flip up the vanity. There's a small gap at the bottom of the light. Use your screwdriver to gently pry it free. Pull it down to remove the top tabs. Now use your screwdriver to pry out the incandescent bulb. Install the LED and rotate it so the LED chips face out. Slide the top of the lens in first. Then push in the bottom. Now repeat those steps for the other side. Pry out the bottom of the lens and pull it down. Pry out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED. Slide the top of the lens in first, then push in the bottom. The new LED bulbs are a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulbs. Bright and 6000K pure white.